All right, as we mentioned, today is National Cheeseburger Day, which is a big deal. It's actually a thing. I'm here with Chef Steven. You are a personal chef. You've written an amazing book, but you also make a killer pickle cheeseburger?
Fried pickles, yeah.
What the heck? I have never, ever, ever had a fried pickle before. I'm actually pretty skeptical. I think they should be kept in the fridge. But you go ahead and do your thing.
Okay. Fantastic.
What is it? I mean, how does it add flavor to the burger?
Well, it gives it that nice crunch too.
Okay.
And it's just really, we're gonna add some cayenne pepper too, so it's gonna give it a nice little kick.
Kick.
Yeah.
Bam!
And we're actually using these pickles that have the spiciness in them already.
Okay, so the McClure pickle
Yeah.
is actually, it's a special pickle because it's extra crispy. So don't fall for the other pickles. Why don't you show us how to start this?
Okay, great. So we're just gonna add a little cayenne pepper to the flour here. And then a little salt and pepper. It's always good to season your flour when you're gonna fry something.
Is that Himalayan salt?
It is.
Oh, what's the big deal with that stuff?
Oh, well, flavor is a huge part of it.
Okay.
Yeah. So what you want to do is just take your pickles, and I like to use tongs, otherwise your hands get really messy.
Yeah.
And you just dip them in there like that.
Get them nice and
Yeah,
bready.
you want to coat them off really nice.
So am I going to be able to try my first fried pickle?
You can, yeah. And then we're going to mix up an egg.
Okay.
And add just a little splash of water here to thin it up a little bit. And then we're going
Oh,
to
you
the
gotta get
process. Yeah, exactly. So the egg actually helps it coat onto the pickle.
And that's what you want, is like a thick crust?
Right, yeah. For these, especially.
Oh, man.
Yeah. Okay. You'll trust me, you'll really like
Okay.
it. It's great. And then just toss them in here.
Alrighty.
And then, so
Okay,
I
this
like
is
to
hot.
keep the oil. It is very hot. So I like to keep the oil at 350 degrees, and that makes them cook really fast and nice and even too. Toss that. There you go. So these pickles are great. They're all natural, kosher-free, and they have a variety of different flavors as well.
Okay, cool.
So they're great. You can find them at AJ's, Target's,
Whole
Whole
Foods.
Foods, yeah,
Awesome.
and
And then-
Little Market as well.
Okay, cool. And then what do you, so do you wrap
So-
it in the actual meat, or you just add it on
Well,
top?
so yeah, this
Okay.
for this type of burger, I just, I mean, you can make it however you want.
Okay.
I mean, the great thing about this is the pickle really comes through. So like, it becomes the star of the dish, really.
Ooh.
Yeah, which is really nice.
Sure.
Yeah.
All right,
So
and
you
this
can see-
presentation, at the end presentation looks very nice.
Oh, thank
I'm
you
not
very
going to try
much.
that one because it's been there for a little bit. But how long do you
Yeah.
let these
So
go for?
about 30 seconds. You can start to see that they'll start to brown up a little bit.
Mhm.
Just like that. Yeah. And then this is just a buttermilk ranch dressing that whipped up. It's just
Who doesn't love ranch? You gotta have ranch with everything.
It's just sour cream and mayonnaise and buttermilk and some fresh herbs. There's parsley and dill. And
Awesome. Well, this looks amazing. The final product looks even better. I'm gonna try one of these fried pickles for the first time during our commercial. And coming up next, thank you so much
Yeah,
for
thank
coming.
you.
Really appreciate it. And coming up next, why you need to put pumpkin on your face. We're just all about food here.
Excellent.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Oh my gosh, am I gonna try one?
Okay.
Clear.